Welcome to the bent over hip extension with resistance band. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Start by securing the resistance band at an anchor point just below knee height. Attach the band around your right ankle or put your foot through the band handle. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Hinge forward slightly at the hips and keep your back straight and core engaged. For stability, hold onto a chair, railing, or vertical bar. Shift your weight onto your left foot and extend your right leg straight back, keeping it in line with your torso. Flex your foot and feel the tension in your glutes and hamstrings as you lift. Pause briefly at the top, then slowly lower your leg back down with control. Focus on keeping your core tight and avoid arching your lower back. Move slowly, controlling the motion up and down. Exhale as you extend your leg and inhale as you return to start. Perform 10 to 12 reps on your right leg, then switch and repeat on your left leg. For a greater challenge, increase the resistance of the band. Remember, good form is key for maximizing glute and hamstring activation.